Y'all, listen to this. I'm trying to get some rest. I can't sleep because my bitch is in there snoring like hell. She sleeps in one room and I sleep in another. I have to work in the morning. I can't rest. I just had to show somebody this. I'm going in there to wake up now. Just listen. Lady, will you please be quiet? I'm trying to get me some rest. You're keeping me up. What? Can I get some rest? Please? Oh, so now you're going to ignore me. Just please be quiet. So I can work in the morning. Okay? Thank you. Good night.